Hello friends and welcome back to the channel. Today we will discuss how to convert gray code to the binary code, and with the help of an assembly or converter we will see the concept that how we convert a given gray code to the binary code. Let us start. Now, friends, when we are given a gray code, maybe n bit, 1 bit, 2 bit, 3 bit, or a n bit code, firstly we have to identify the MSB bit as we did in the last time when we are converting a binary code to the gray code. Similarly, here also we have to identify the MSB bit of the gray code. Now, when we identify the MSB bit of gray code, half work is done. Now, write that MSB bit of the gray code as it is below that MSB bit of the gray code. Now this will be the MSB bit of your binary code. Now, beginning with this B3, that is MSB bit of your binary code, start XORing it with the next bit. Now here we will XOR this B3. This B3 is XORed with G2 and the result is B2. Now again this B2 will be XORed with G1, that is the gray code, and we will get the B1. Now B1 is XORed with G0 to get B0, which will be the LSB bit of the binary code. Now here I have listed the formula for you so that it will be easy to understand. The MSB bit will be same in both the cases, that is in gray code and in the binary code. So B3 is equals to G3. Now B2 is equals to B3 XOR G2. B2 here B2 is equals to B3 XOR G2 and the resultant is B2, the second bit. Now this B2 when XORed with G1 will yield B1, and B1 when XORed with G0 will yield B0. That is the complete binary code with the LSB B0 and starting with the MSB B3. Now one observation can be made which will help you to solve questions speedily in the examinations, in competitive exam like that. When accept the MSB bit for given gray code, you can obtain the for corresponding bit in the binary code just by remembering this formula, that is b of n plus 1 XOR gn. That so if you want to check the binary bit of first, that is the b1 bit, so what you can do is substitute n is equals to 1 here, so b1 is equals to b2 XOR g1. So friends, many times in the examination when four options are given, first thing you should do is you should try to observe the options accordingly and try to match only two bits first. If at all two options are remaining when you match two bits, then only go for full code conversion, or else you will lose your time. Time is precious, my friends, so save your time and use it accordingly, because with 10 or 20 more seconds you can solve one another question, so which will help you get the edge over other candidates. Now let us look at example to get this concept more in depth. Here friends, I have solved two examples and I have given one example for your practice. Try it yourself. So first example is 0100. Friends, try what will be the decimal equivalent of this. Guess. That is 4. Yes, correct. Now when we write the gray code, that is 0100, friends, first identify the MSB bit 0, that will be written same as it is. Now this 0 when XORed with G2, yes, B3 XORed with G2 will yield 1. 0 XOR 1 is 1. Friends, try to recall the truth table which we saw in the last video. Now the 1 XORed with 0 will yield 1 again. 1 XORed with 0 is 1. So resultant or equivalent binary code of 0100 is 011. Now again 1010. This is the given gray code. If this was a binary code, what will be its decimal equivalent? 10. 10. Correct. That is 10. Now the gray code is 1010. First step again, friends, try to identify the MSB bit. Here it is, the MSB bit. Now this MSB bit is written as it is 1. Now this MSB bit is XORed with the next bit of the gray code, that is G2. 1 XORed with 0 will yield 1. 1 XORed with 1 will yield 0. 0 XORed 0 will give 0. So the equivalent binary code of 1010 gray code is 1100. Thank you, friends. Hope you have gained some concept, and I will post the answer of this homework question in the description box. Please solve and do check the answer. Thank you.